The students will be given a set of random problems to choose from. The student will choose a problem, and the teacher will ask questions about how the student is demonstrating the steps of how to use the box method and the area model. This is their mystery problem, which is 12 times 16. So the student will have to correctly place the 12 and the 16 in specific spots. So when you're looking at 12, how does one correctly break the 12 apart into making it for base 10 blocks? The student will demonstrate by showing you that a 12 is a 10 rod and 2 units. So they can place the 10 and the 2 in either spot. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then they'll have to demonstrate the same steps with the 16. So with the 16, they'll have to break it apart just as well. So they can put 10 here and a 6 here. Or they can put the 6 here and the 10 here. It doesn't matter. Now, they're going to have to correctly demonstrate how to multiply these numbers to get the numbers on the inside of the box. So, they're going to have to multiply 10 times 10. And students can ask you if they can use a calculator, if they can use a scratch sheet of paper. It doesn't really matter. So, they can have any form of helping them to figure out how to do this inside part, but they have to do it correctly. So it has to be 10 times 10, and that is, and then they'll have to do 10 times 6. So then that'll be a 60, and then they'll move to the next column, which will be 10, which will be a 2 times 10, and they'll have to show you that it has to go here. So you can ask them, can you show me where this answer is going to go across here? So, because some students may say, oh, well, this is across, so you're going to put your answer here. Or, you know, they're going to try to figure out how to put it in here going up and down, but that's not the way you want to show them. You want to show them that they have to do it like this. You'll ask them to represent it correctly. So then you'll do 2 times 10 is 20. And then 2 times 6, they'll have to show you that this should go in the last box. It's going to be a 12. So then now, once they've shown you all of this, you're going to ask them how did they get their answer from this numbers here. So they'll have to write them down somewhere. You can write them, you have to show them that they have to write it horizontally first, and then you'll do the plus 20 plus 60 plus 12. And these numbers here can go in any order that they want, but they need to write them down so they can show you the proper algorithm. So they'll add these all together correctly. So 100 plus 20 plus 60 plus 12. And just like before, if they have to write it up and down on the side, that's fine, but they need to show you how to do this. So then it'll be 10, and then 20 plus 60 is 80, plus 12 is 80 plus 12 is 92. So it's going to be 192 is your answer. So that means (12 times 16) is 192.